Welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare fried ripe plantains using the air fryer program of the Ninja Foodi Deluxe model. Fried ripe plantains are referred to as amarillos or maduros. I will be air frying 2 yellow plantains. Most Latin markets carry the yellow plantains. If not, you can purchase green plantains, place them on the kitchen counter, and within 2 to 3 weeks the plantains will turn yellow. The yellow plantains are considered ripe and slightly sweet. When fried, they tend to caramelize with a golden brown color and crispy edges. The plantain is believed to have originated in Southeast Asia. The ripe plantain is either cut into 3 to 4 slices lengthwise or into 7 to 8 diagonal cuts. For this cooking demonstration, I will be using the diagonal cuts. Let's start preparing the ripe plantains. Cut off both ends with a knife. Make a slit lengthwise, barely touching the flesh from top to bottom. And peel the yellow plantain using your hands. Cut the yellow plantain into 1 inch to 1.5 inch diagonal slices. The next step is to lightly brush the ripe plantains with oil on top. I like to use extra virgin olive oil, but you can use canola oil. Continue this process on the other side. Read your user manual in its entirety before operating the unit. This model operates as a pressure cooker or air fryer. Make sure the diffuser is attached to the bottom of the cook and crisp basket before placing in pot. We are ready to air fry the ripe plantains. I am going to place the cook and crisp basket in the pot. Let's close the crisping lid and preheat the unit for 5 minutes. Turn on the power and select the Air Crisp program. Set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the time to 5 minutes. Press the start and stop button to begin. The unit is preheated. Let's open the lid and place the ripe plantains in the basket. Carefully place the ripe plantains in basket and arrange them with tongues. Close lid and reprogram the settings. Turn on power, select the air crisp program, set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, set the time to 15 minutes. For your information, I plan to check the plantains after 8 minutes of air frying. Press the start and stop button to start the unit. After 8 minutes of air frying, open lid. You should try to check your food item at least once during the air frying process. This is the moment that you can turn the plantains to the other side if you want to. Since the plantains are browning beautifully, let's continue with air frying the plantains for the remaining minutes. We can now close the lid and resume cooking. The ripe plantains just finished air frying for a total of 15 minutes. This time, let's check the plantains for doneness. The air fried plantains are golden brown with crispy edges. They look perfect. Serve them immediately while they are still warm. Make sure to power off the unit. We usually serve the fried plantains as a side dish to accompany the main course. It can also be served as a snack or dessert due to its sweetness. Before I taste the air-fried plantains, everyone has their own desired level of doneness. If you want your plantains a lot crispier, then continue air frying until it is to your liking. Let's taste the amarillos air-fried plantains. The plantains are as tasty as the regular fried plantains, but without being saturated with oil. The edges are crispy due to the caramelization and tender inside. Delicioso. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare fried ripe plantains using the Ninja Deluxe air fryer program. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.